respected principal, beloved teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. As we all know, the last 2 weeks we conducted our school colors at ASIA 2020 on online platform. We really had an amazing level of participation and quality performances. As the schools were closed and classes were online, we, the students, did not think our school colors would be possible. But the school management and teachers make it too possible. So, a big thanks and salute to our principal and teachers. And also thanks to all the parents who prepared their children for Fantasia 2020. Hearty congratulations to all the participants and their parents. Today we have the result announcement. The much awaited moments come to you live.
Of class first to C. It's my proud privilege to announce the result of Fantasia 2020 of class 1. First of all, let me announce the prize winners of storytelling English. Third prize goes to Kumari M. Maria of class first A. Second prize winner is Kumari Van Lakshmi of class first C and Kumari Andrea Anna Sobi of class first C. That's the first prize. Our next item is Elocution English. Third prize winner is Master Samuel MK of class first C. Second prize is bagged by Kumari Diksha P of class first B. And the first prize goes to Ivana Vinod of class 1A. Our next item is Recitation Malayalam. Third prize is bagged by Master Mamata of class first B. Second prize goes to Kumari Ashwin Nigesh of first C. And the first prize winner is Master Parthan Videsh of class first C. Are you waiting to know the result of storytelling Malayalam? Okay, here they are. Third prize goes to Anya Dibu of class 1A. Second prize shared by two students. They are Kumari Ellen Claire of class 1B and Master Adana Vivin of class first B. And the first prize goes to Nia Maria Nibu of class 1C. I'm sure you're all eager to meet our little musicians. Third prize for light music goes to Kumari Isa and Ajesh of class first A. Second prize winner is Master Parthan Gidesh of first C and Master Eric Joseph Jolin of first C bagged the first prize. Next, I'm happy to First A. Thank you.
A warm good morning to one and all.
I'm Anna Siju.
I'm Neba Putlat.
We are from class 2.
Today, we are here to announce the result of Fantasia 2020 of Class 2.
Now, let me announce the winners of Storytelling English. The third prize is backed by Master Muhammad and Kumari Eva Angel Elizabeth of 2nd B.
Our next item is Storytelling Malayalam. First prize goes to Kumari Eva Angel Elizabeth of 2nd B. Second prize winner is Kumari Cinda Thomas of 2nd A. And the third prize is backed by Kumari Besti Teresa Vincent and Kumari Dia Maria Matthew.
I'm revealing the result of Recitation Malayalam. The third prize winner is Kumari Veda Putilat of 2nd A. Second prize goes to Vedana Rajneesh of K of 2nd B. And the first prize winner is Master Kevin Paul Leo of 2nd B.
Let me announce the result of our best singers. Here is the result of live music. The third prize is backed by Kumari Besti Teresa Vincent of 2nd B and Vedika Rajneesh K of 2nd C. Second prize winner is Kumari Anna Siju of 2nd A. And the first prize goes to Kumari Veda Putlat of 2nd B.
Next item is Elocution English. First prize winner is Kumari Anna Siju of 2nd A. Second prize goes to Kumari Diksha PA of 2nd A. And the third prize winner is Master Kevin Paul Lijo of 2nd B.
Our next item is folk dance. I am sure that you are waiting to listen the name of our little dancers. First prize goes to Kumari L. Raj of 2nd C. Second prize goes to Kumari Andresa Sunil of 2nd A. And the third prize winner is Master Gautam Raj of 2nd C.
Our last item is Draw and Color. Let me reveal the names of our little artists. Third prize is shared by Master Sridharash KP of 2nd A and Kumari Hamna KP of 2nd A. Second prize goes to Master Devanand KR of 2nd A. First prize winner is Kumari Fuhma Nasrin of VP of 2nd B.
Congratulations, dear friends. Bye bye.
See you soon. Aquinas Jojo stand before you to announce the much awaited results of the Fantasia competition conducted for Class 3 for the academic year 2020-2021. See the winners of Recitation Malayalam. The third prize winner is Kumari Amanda Mary of 3rd A. The second prize goes to Master Aquinas Jojo of 3rd A. And the first prize winner is Master Hrithik Dev PV of 3rd B. Let us applaud all the winners for their wonderful achievements. Next, I take the pleasure of announcing the result of light music. The third prize is backed by Master Aquinas Jojo and Kumari Devshika Radish. Second prize winner is Kumari Sanvi A. And the first prize goes to Master Hrithik Dev of 3rd B. I deem to be a privileged one to announce the result of folk dance. The first prize goes to Kumari Veera S. Kumar. Second prize goes to Kumari Amanda Mary John. And the third prize winner is Kumari Riona Celine Rijo of 3rd C. Next, I would like to announce the result of our talented artists. The first prize winner is Kumari Devshika Radish. Second prize goes to Kumari Ardra Ashok of 3rd B. And the third prize goes to Master Anway Ram of 3rd B. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the result of pencil drawing. The third prize winner is Kumari Devashika Rajesh. Second prize goes to Kumari Ardra Ashok. And the first prize winner is Master Hrithik Dev PV of 3rd B. Let us now see the winners of paragraph writing English. First prize goes to Master Abel Joseph. Second prize goes to Kumari Ankita Isa Biju. And the third prize winner is Kumari Amanda Mary. Now let us eagerly listen to the final result of paper craft. Kumari Advaya Pradeep of 3rd C won the first prize. Second prize winner is Kumari Anat Maria Shaju. And the third prize goes to Kumari Alicia Reggie of 3rd B. Let us put our hands together to encourage our friends. Thank you everyone.
A warm good morning to one and all. I'm Tejas CP and I'm Shriva Mohan. We are from class 4. Today we are here to announce the result of our class of Fantasia 2020. In this occasion, I congratulate all the participants for these amazing performances. I know you are eagerly waiting for the results. Let's start, Steva. Sure. Now I am revealing the results of Elocution English. And the first prize goes to Kumari Fiona George of class 4th B. Second prize winner is Kumari Ethel Manoj of class 4th C. And the third prize goes to Mari Mary of class 4th A. Next is the result of Recitation Malayalam. Many of us participated in this item. Really, it was a tight competition. And the first position secured by Master James Matthew of class 4B. And the second place goes to Kumari Fiona George of class 4B. And the third position is shared by two. They are Master Ali Thomas Vijay of 4th B and Kumari Tejasri P of 4th C. Next is the result of light music. Here I am announcing the third prize first. The third prize winner is Kumari Idam KV of class 4th B. Second place goes to Kumari Fiona George of class 4th B. And the first prize goes to Kumari Mari Mary of class 4th A. This is the time to announce the result of folk dance. I am sure you are all eager to know the result. Wow! Kumari Anantaraj of class 4th B secured first prize. Second prize winner is Kumari Shivani PB of class 4th B. And the third prize goes to Kumari Netra AS of 4th B. Our next item is painting. Let me reveal the names of our talented artists. First prize winner is Kumari Tejasri Manoj of class 4th B. And the second prize goes to Kumari Fatima Bashir Jassa of class 4th C. And the third prize shared by two. They are Master Abraham KP of 4th C and Kumari Fatima Sana RP of 4th C. Our sixth item is pencil drawing. And the first prize secured by Kumari Idar KV of class 4th B. The second prize was won by Master Rohit KV of class 4th A. And the third prize goes to Master Naik Group PK of class 4th B.
Shiva, can you announce the result of paragraph writing English?
Why not? Winners of paragraph writing English, Master Adishmi Nambiar of class 4th A secured first prize. Second prize goes to Surigayatri MV of class 4th B. Third prize goes to Kumari Fatima Sana RP of class 4th C. I am going to reveal the result of paper craft. Master Abraham KP of class 4th C won the first prize. Second prize winner is Kumari Iranjana KR of class 4th C. And the third prize goes to Kumari Shivani PB of class 4th B. Congrats to all the winners. Thank you.
Hi friends, I'm Tanmaya Pradeep and Devnanda. Here we are announcing the result of Fantasia 2020 Class 5. I'm Tanmaya Pradeep and Devnanda. We are here to announce the result of Class 5. Let us begin with the result of Elocution English. First prize winner is Kumari Shana Fatima. Second prize goes to Kumari Tanmaya Pradeep and Kumari Alfonso Soni bagged the third prize. Recitation Malayalam. First prize goes to Kumari Rosta Shibu. Second is bagged by Kumari Vaiga Kutulat. Third prize goes to Kumari Tanmaya Pradeep. Are you eager to meet our great musicians? First prize winner is Kumari Vaiga Kutulat. Second prize winner is Kumari Sri Lakshmi Manoj. And third prize goes to Kumari Alfonso Soni. The name of graceful dancers. First prize goes to Kumari Ritika B. Harish. Second prize goes to Kumari Sri Lakshmi Manoj. And Kumari DRP is back the third prize. Anchoring is a great art. Here are the names of those who can grab with the attention of audience. First prize winner is Master Sain Ahmed Imtiaz. Second prize goes to Kumari Hanan Rashid. And third prize goes to Kumari Alfonso Soni. Everyone likes to be an artist. Here goes the names of winner in paintings. First
Bachchan. Second prize is backed by Kumari Archana TS. In versification Malayalam, the winners are: first prize goes to Kumari Hanan Rishi, second prize goes to Kumari Archana TS, third prize goes to Kumari Master Tim Roy.
Next item is essay writing English. The winners are Kumari Nivedya and we bagged the first prize. Second prize is backed by Kumari Fatima Nidasi and third prize goes to the Master Juan Jos Francis. Cartoon winner is Master Tim Roy. Pencil drawing. Pencil drawing winners are: first goes to Master Juan Jos Francis, second prize goes to Kumari G. Monica, and third prize is backed by Master Adam Roger. Craft vegetable carving. First prize goes to Kumari Angela Mary Benny, second prize winner is Kumari Angel Maria Robbins, and third prize goes to Master Sanjit Sadish. Next one is Trasha. First prize goes to Master Jerome Jomi Thomas, second prize goes to Master Dion Joseph Chaco, and the third prize is backed by Kumari Gia Maria Jijo. Congratulations to all winners. Hi dear friends, I am Anamika VP.
And I am Zidan Siddiq of class 6A. We are here before you with the result of our class.
We know you all are excited to know it.
First, we have the result of elocution English. The first prize goes to Kumari Ananya Lakshman. The second prize is backed by Kumari Anamiga VP. The third prize is won by Master Juan Manoj.
Next we have the result of recitation Malayalam. The first prize goes to Kumari Sandra Thomas. Second prize winner is Kumari K. Teresa. Third prize backed by Kumari Angel Maria Matthew.
Next result is of light music. First prize goes to Kumari Sandra Thomas. The second prize is shared by Kumari K. Teres and Master Sriranginke. The third prize is backed by Master Jishnu P.
Now we have the result of pop dance. First prize goes to Kumari Ananya Lakshman. Second prize backed by Kumari Sapta Kalyani KP. Third prize winner is Kumari Veda K.
The next result is of angering. The first prize goes to Kumari Kate Teres. Second prize is backed by R. Iring. The third prize is shared by two Anubhava Binduraj and P.P. Aisha Leah.
The result of painting is with us. The first prize goes to Kumari Wafa PS. Second prize winner is Hamna KV. Third prize backed by Kumari Riza Shanam KP.
Now let's check the result of pencil drawing. The first prize goes to Kumari Wafa PS. The second prize is backed by Master Navaneet Emma. The third prize goes to Master Alamon KA.
Versification Malayalam. The first prize goes to Master Alan Mount KA. Second prize winner Kumari Angel Maria Matthew. Third prize goes to Master Juan Manoj.
Now let's check the result of pencil drawing. First prize goes to Kumari Wafa PS. The second prize is backed by Master Navaneet Emma. The third prize goes to Master Alan Mon KA.
Next, the result of vegetable carving. First prize goes to Kumari Veda Santosh. Second prize backed by Hamna KV. Third prize is shared by two, Kumari Shania C and Master Basil MV.
And the last result is of trash art. The first prize goes to Kumari Veda Santosh. The second prize is backed by Kumari Anamiga VP. And the third prize winner is Kumari PP Aisha Leah.
Hi friends, that's all from the 6th class result desk.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Kumari Ankita Narayanan and Master Srinandan TV.
And the next result is of recitation Hindi. The first prize goes to Kumari Srinandan PV, Srinanda PV, and the second prize is for Kumari Anne Maria Matthew. Next is the result of light music. First prize goes to Srinanda PV, and the second prize is winner is Srinandan TV, and the third prize goes to Dia Dilish.
And the next result is of folk dance. First prize goes to Kumari Mitra B. Harish, and the second prize winner is Kumari Ankita Narayanan, and the third prize is backed by Kumari Angelina Brigida.
Next, we have the result of angering. First prize goes to Kumari Anne Maria Benny, and the second prize is backed by Master Jidin Matthew, and the third prize is for Kumari Anne Maria Biju.
Next is the result of painting. First prize goes to Master Jidin Matthew, and the second prize is for Kumari Devananda Mohan, and the third prize is backed by Nidina Enam.
Next is the result of versification Malayalam. First prize goes to Kumari Merita Shivu, and the second prize goes to Kumari Anne Maria Matthew, and the third prize is shared by Kumari Justin Matthew and Kumari Amrita Rajput.
Next is the result of SRIG English. First prize goes to Marita Shibu, and the second prize is backed by Prem Rashid, and the third prize goes to Srinidhi P.
Next, we have the result of cartoon. First prize is backed by Kumari Ankita Narayan, and second prize is for Master Kevin Siriak Bebe, and third prize goes to Master Jidin Matthew. Next is the result of pencil drawing. First prize goes to Nidina N, and the second prize goes to Emil Peter Sajin, and the third prize goes to Freya Sajin.
Next is the result of vegetable carving. First prize goes to Donna Media Chaco, and the second prize goes to Niranjana Kamal.
These are the results of class 7th and 8th. Congratulations to all the participants and winners.
Thank you everyone.
So, hearty congratulations to all the winners. For those who didn't get prizes, don't be disappointed. Better luck next time. We hope to explore the possibilities of the next event sports day. Till we meet next time, this is Anamika VP signing off. Thank you all.